Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Garage 99. Today, we got a new package here. It's just so nice walking out to these two cars in my driveway. I mean, they're nothing special, but it makes me feel good. Today, we are completing the center console. At least I hope that's what this is. And this is going to be our center console delete carpet and the dashboard piece. So, I'm going to cut that open and get to it. Look how they packaged that. They got, oh, they get, what? They gave you candy? They wrapped the carpet around the dashboard piece. That's awesome. It's got that new carpet smell. Because it is new carpet. Look at that. It's got the slit there. It's got the thing that wraps around the e-brake there. First, we're gonna put the plastic center console piece on, which looked kind of goofy in pictures. I really hope it's like the same color. It is a little glossy, but that's cool. So that's this piece. So it is going to go on like that. Ooh, that's actually a good fit. I like that. That's pretty sweet. Now the problem is I don't have the hardware for this, so I'm gonna have to go find some screws for that. All right, first things first. I got some screws and plugged up the holes that go for the center console because I don't know if that goes all the way through or not, but we don't want to have any water getting in there. So I guess I'm gonna try and lay this out. It is Velcro-y on the top, for sure gonna stick to carpet. Wow, this is actually difficult because it's so sticky. Probably want to fit this thing roughly where we want it to go. I get why this is so expensive though, because this is actually like really high quality carpet. Oh my God. Imagine that is pretty much done. I still gotta smooth it and move some stuff, like the carpet's a little crunchy here, but it was really difficult actually doing that. Now it's all smooth and yeah, that's cool. I like that a lot. That looks freaking great. Where did I put those two screws? No clue where the screws are. I had two screws, they were black. They were gonna look really nice. Now they're gone. They're under my butt. That's okay. All right. Final piece. De resistance. Make sure these things even thread in here. Here you go, guys. This is it. That's the completed interior for my car. Whether or not I find a seat, I'll get a seat. I'm gonna get some harnesses. I actually have them on order. Oh, I almost forgot my shit phone. That'll be here later on today. So I'll put that in this video, but that's it. Because that just looks so cool. Very happy with that. The carpet is almost perfectly car matching, even for being 22 years old. So worth it. Oh, there it is. Nice. Oh, good stuff right there. Well, looks like the packaging came apart a little bit in the delivery, but that's pretty sweet. Very, very heavy. I know it's a weighted shift knob, so they always say to test fit the other adapters and then test fit the knob. Looks like it comes with 4 different adapters. We'll go from smallest to biggest and figure out which one. Don't think it's that one. Not that one. That might be it, but this also might be it. I don't really know. Oh, that one's for sure it. Yep. And then floss your knob onto your shifter. We're almost there. There we go. Oh man, it actually looks kind of goofy, but that's okay. Oh, it's got a nice heavy throat width though. Maybe we'll do something else with this. I don't even know. All right, guys, that's gonna complete today's video. Here, I guess I can show you the whole finished product on its own. There you have it. There's a center console delete. Basically, the entire interior is done now, except for the seat, which, while I was waiting for that one thing to be delivered, I got a super low seat bracket. Now we just need the seat, the harnesses. We're good to go. This car will be ready. Interior will be done. I may or may not get a steering wheel, but other than that, everything else is done. Oh man, weighted knobs are the way to go. If you guys ever want a weighted knob, it will definitely make shifting a lot easier. So I want to thank you all very much for watching. Peace out. Keep turning those gears.